That would be the South Fraser Prairie Road to nowhere. And that's Mayor and Council. Thanks for letting me come up and ask a question.
Yes, please.
My question is, I'd like to know if this staff and council could start applying the screws to this provincial government about the need for this road. It's, I know that Mr. Harvey says that they've been battling this out for the last 6 years, but let's face it, there's a lot of things going on in the world right now that do not bode well for the finances behind this road. Last week we heard in the news that the big financial partners have now pulled out of the Port Mann Bridge. I don't know where this government's planning on getting the money to put through this road, but I personally believe that you guys have the responsibility of the bog. You have the responsibility of the farmland. You have the responsibility of the people in this community that are going to lose their homes, their farms, their livelihood to a road that at this point they don't have any justification. I mean, you guys must know all the work that's been going into